Hi guys, welcome to our and your channels. And check the open the application app like that. Then just write here CapCut only. Then you use search. Okay, easy, so easy. It's not a big deal. And now you can get here application. I make a big. Okay, install button here. This one blue button. You can install this button, and then step by step after some time. hmm, it's it will install. Okay, take a some time. It's depend on internet speed. Okay, don't worry about that. It's take a little time. I tell you something about the software. uh, See, this one is a circle like 1.4. Here also have a check 1.4 GB. Okay, and this one is a 10, 11, 12 year old. And the more about this feature I will tell you about that. Here is also all have a language. This one maybe 15 to 20 language. Which country you are, check this language. And check this feature, easy to use. Animations, auto caption, many feature have this software. Because CapCut is a famous video editor. 1.5 GB, everything, blah blah blah, too much. Okay, it's take a time little more. 4.9 version this one. Maybe when you install, then maybe 5 something like this coming version. Mm, but now is a 4.9 version. And just this place you can write here any software name automatically coming. See, CapCut coming, WhatsApp coming. If you need to install WhatsApp, you can install WhatsApp. Also other software related to this keyword, which one I put. Coming this one VN, also video editing software. Okay, you can use also this one. It's also free. But CapCut is awesome. Always many person video editor have a good choice. First choice like this CapCut. Also easy now. This is easy. Okay, WhatsApp also you can install. If you need to WhatsApp, you can install WhatsApp. How many feature? I'm just waiting for the install because I show you how to start up. Okay, so that's why I know close. Not close the video. Making still video. Here is, see, look at this application is installing. There's coming CapCut. Okay, now here this place is CapCut install. Finish. Now as we install CapCut, you can check this application, my all application, but I install for you CapCut. Now first time I will open for you because before I remove the CapCut, then again install for you guys. Okay, now I open the CapCut. If you need any software, tell me in the comment. I will for you. Okay, then create a new. Just click the. Then you can add here something, import what you want to. I take import one picture. Okay, see this picture, drop down. And what we do, make a video, need to text also inside, uh, caption, many have option inside. Okay, but today I just only tell you about the how to install and open and do work next for you. Best of luck for you. Also you need to put here downside anywhere like this, remove, and any place you can put the CapCut. uh, Also here keep it like this, on the here. You just like keep it here like that. Okay, and always here available. If you know to in the inside application, you can remove from the duck here downside. Bye bye.